You hear it all the time. You see it everywhere. It's posted all over the internet. You're seeing how people are making money with affiliate marketing. They're doing it without money up front, and they're doing it without a website. And that's what I'm going to go ahead and show you that you can do in this video. Hey guys, my name is Michael Granados from Viral Home-Based Pursuits. And in this video, I'm going to go over the tips, the strategies, the tactics that you can use to be able to go out there and use affiliate marketing without having to spend any money up front or without a website and/or. So I've been doing this for a while. I come out with videos that will help you understand how affiliate marketing works, where affiliate marketing is going. I do reviews. And way before I started this, I started a business in the health and wellness, lower back pain space in the Amazon niche world. So that's where I began everything. And that's kind of where, I started finding my voice and then started moving out once I started seeing profits. Some days earning $100, other days earning much more than that. It was crazy. It was eye-opening, and it was me thinking, wow, this can really happen. Because for a long time, you might be thinking the same thing, like affiliate marketing, I don't know. I hear about it all the time. Here's the thing. It works, but there's people who in this area do it unethically, and there's people who do it ethically. I'm one of these people who does this ethically, and so much to the point that I even have a course that'll help you understand how to do affiliate marketing from A to Z. Goes from beginner to expert. It moves its way forward. And I don't ask you to go and purchase anything. I don't say, okay, go join this platform, go do this. There's links in there because it's been my journey. And if you choose to join them, then yeah, you can go ahead and do that, and I'll help you out. But it's going to show you from what you need to do at the beginning. And it needs to be about your mindset. It needs to be about understanding the expectations about affiliate marketing that you have, and then moving into things like publishing, having a blog, having a YouTube channel, having a podcast, whichever one you feel the most comfortable with, and moving forward, which gets me to the next point. And I'm going to get on the whiteboard here in a second, but what you need to be good at, and this is going to be something that you'll get consistent at over time. You might not be there right now, but is publishing content. And you're like, well, wait, Michael, but I don't publish. I'm not an expert. I don't know what I'm doing. People are not going to want to listen to me. Hey, I was in the same situation. I remember a time when before, I started affiliate marketing, I was trying to figure out ways to earn more. I started my 9-to-5 job. I was tired of not getting paid what I should be getting paid, yet I stuck with them because I needed stability. And I didn't want to just transition to another job immediately. I wanted to stay there for some time and gain that credibility. Unfortunately, they were letting go about 30 people, and it was a huge thing, and it wasn't my fault. It was involuntary layoffs. And so I was one of these people, and the good thing was that I was preparing that time into affiliate marketing. I was at my cubicle on downtime. There was so much downtime the last 6 or 7 months that I was able to put in the work. And then once I was done, it was like, now I can continue doing this full time. And that's what I ended up doing for a while. I took unemployment benefits, and I started doing this, started focusing on it full time. And I really started seeing the rewards, but those rewards came when I knew that I had to publish. And I found my voice finally when I figured that I can get the right skills to do this. I wasn't always a blogger, but what I did was I took the time to understand what blogging meant and how I can earn money from it. So that's where I started. And with the right training in place, it really shifted my mind, and it really opened me up to things that I never thought I could have. I still feel uncomfortable being on video, but this is something I like doing now because I have the skills to do it, and it's not something you get from day one. So going to video, I'm going to go ahead and get on the whiteboard here. I'm going to show you exactly what you can be doing without a website, without any money up front. So one way you can do this without spending money up front is using platforms like YouTube, okay? So pretty much, if you don't know, the general census of affiliate marketing is you have a system, okay? There's a system on the internet, or you can call it a platform, where you can go and create the framework without having to have a website. Like my first system was a website, but without a website, you can still have the framework. And you are that framework. You're the person who's going to go out there and publish your own content. You're going to go around a niche. You're going to pick a specific industry that you have experience with, you have an interest with, passion, or hobby in, and then get into it and get more of it. And so, that's what I was able to do. And I explain that more in the course down below, so don't forget to get that when you leave here. But one of the ways you can do this is through YouTube. And that's what I'm doing right now. I'm showing you a video on how to get started without money and without a website. This can take skills too. I talk about this in my course, how to set up a proper video, how to talk to your audience and your niche, and to find your voice. Because at the very beginning, if you're just starting out affiliate marketing, you don't hear this a lot from everybody else, but you need to find who your attractive character is. Most people go from affiliate marketing straight into, look, I got to go get people to buy from me. Here's my offer. Here's my product. What they forget to do is develop their voice, develop who they are. I want you to develop who you can become, develop a persona, who you are. Be real with your audience. Don't be afraid to make a mistake at the beginning. I was always afraid of that. Then I realized, okay, when I made mistakes, that really helped me see what I need to do better. And I took what I needed to do better, and what did I do? Became a lot better. And so that's what you need to look at too. When you feel like, okay, I'm fearing that I'm going to make a mistake because I don't know anything. It's not that you don't know anything. It's just that you have to get the right skills in place. And sometimes when you get these skills, you necessarily don't have the best way to put your message out there. So you still have to take after take. And it took me about almost, when we're talking about a blog, we're talking about over 20 to 30 blog posts before I was able to find my voice more and feel like, okay, this is who I really am. Like the skills were there before, but finding the voice. YouTube also took probably more, because being on camera was something that I was shy on, and still I am. That's why I prefer to do the written content, but I come on YouTube too because I want to be able to help you guys as well. So YouTube is a way to drive traffic over to the product, otherwise, or the retailer. And over here, we can have different places, right? We have our channel, we have YouTube, we're sending people that are coming to find our posts, our videos, and we're putting these links you can put underneath in the description box, and that could take them over to the actual merchant or the retailer, right? And these retailers, there's stuff like Amazon, right? Amazon is one of the big ones. You have ClickBank, Davy Zoo, Commission Junkie, and among many others, right? These are some popular ones, but that's what you're doing without any money up front. Just know that you have to publish content. You're going to be out there, no matter what, in affiliate marketing or anything online related, you have to publish content. Content is your biggest asset. Doing it for free is going to be your biggest reward, because you don't have to go and run an ad, right? Once you publish content, it's going to stick out there, and it's going to be there, and it's going to help support you. People can find your videos, can find your work much easier than having to go spend money on an ad that only runs for weeks on end, and then you got to go create a new one, and it's not going to stick around for a while, right? That's what's going to draw your attention to you, is having organic, that's called organic traffic, instead of having a paid traffic method. So another most common thing people do is social media. Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. And most people spend their time not being productive from the very beginning. As a beginner, they go on here and they start spamming their links, they start going to groups, they start doing unethical things because they don't have the skills, or because they think they don't have the time to train. I've come up with so many people telling me, but I don't have the time for training. If you want to do affiliate marketing the right way, no question, no ifs, ands, or buts, you need to have the right training in place. Training is what's going to get you to earn money. If you can't put in the time to train for that, this is not going to work for you. And I talk about false expectations and all that. I have different videos, and then I also have them inside of my course, so you can get a look at them in there. But social media is a big one that people use to, get the people, the traffic over to the actual retailer. And, they can just send them here, send them back in here, send them back over there. And this is one solid way of doing it without a website. But keep in mind as well that these places can shut down. What if Mr. Zuckerberg over here from Facebook decides he's going to just shut down Facebook, or he's going to change some kind of the algorithms change, and now you don't get the kind of reach you want? You know what I mean? Like, you want to have also an external source. So if you're having Facebook, try to use YouTube. That's going to be your main place. And then combine that with social media. Then combine this YouTube with Instagram. Combine YouTube with Twitter, right? So you're publishing content on different places. And one cool thing about having a YouTube channel is that you can publish this to everywhere. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. You can repurpose that content anywhere else. And that's why I like YouTube. That's why I like the audio or visual, because then you can just put little mini videos on Instagram, share them on Facebook. You have a group, share them, your page, live on Twitter, repurpose them, and so forth. And so that's the magic of that. You can also do podcasting. Podcasting is a way. If you like speaking, if you're good about going on the go and not having to think too much about it, then you can do that too. And you can even repurpose this stuff on iTunes and so forth, and people can get your work from there. Those two are big ones right here. YouTube and social media. But I want you to spend that time productive. I don't want you to go in there and go spend hours on end on Facebook, and that's what I'm going to do. Okay? And it works, guys. It works. But I always encourage you to have an external primary resource. YouTube. Mine is a blog, but that's a website we're talking about now. Because with my blog, then I can purpose it on YouTube, put my YouTube onto my blog, put this on social media. So do you see the patterns that are going on here? So with really zero cost, just your efforts, you got to put some effort behind this and stop treating this like it's anything else. Like you can make a quick buck. So I'm trying to think you're going to make a quick buck the next day. Treat this like a business, and you're going to be rewarded. You're going to find out that, whoa, I didn't intend on this being like this, but dang, like I can actually do this. Okay, so that's how you go about it without having any money up front, right? And without having to have a website. You have places like YouTube, which is visual. You have Facebook, you have Instagram. And just know that you can use these places to grow. You have podcasts as well. And that, you can also run paid ads, but you're going to be spending that money up front. I'm trying to help you to do this the most organic way without having to worry about maybe having a website or having to spend money on ads or spending all your time on social media. So that's that. There's going to be more in the course below that will explain all this even more in detail. It'll take you step by step from everything from mindset to what is affiliate marketing, how to choose your niche, what is a profitable niche, going forward from there. And yeah, it's all for free. It's ethical. Again, I said my links are in there, but you don't have to click through them. It's just showing you my journey. Everything else that I have on there, you can just, get your training in and understand how to use these different platforms to do affiliate marketing for free. Or if you would rather spend a little bit of money up front, you can go ahead and do that. If you have any questions, make sure you leave me a comment down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you go ahead and do that, and I will go ahead and get back to you guys. Thank you.